Hey, this is Mike from StyleFlip.com. Today we want to give a quick preview of the Pioneer DDJ-REV1 customizable skins available now at StyleFlip.com. Log on to our website and design your skin right on our website. You can upload your own text, add your own image, create your own look, and we ship you an easy to apply custom skin that'll last the life of your product and is removable. With the click of the button, you can select to add the manufacturer default text back right over your unit in the color of your choice. This is the Pioneer DDJ-REV1 customizable skins available now at StyleFlip.com. We ship worldwide. Like, comment, and share. Let us know what you guys think of the Pioneer DDJ-REV1 custom skins.